Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enhance your voice using tools built in Audacity. So here's a short audio clip I've prepared for this demonstration. Let's go ahead and give it a listen. This is a sample of a short audio clip. So pretty short, but there's still a lot I can work on. So you can hear a faint static that is present throughout the audio clip, especially if you listen to an empty portion, like right here. You can clearly hear a background hum or background static. So to get rid of it, let's highlight this portion. Let's click on Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and let's click on Noise Reduction. So here, let's click on Get Noise Profile. And what it does is it analyzes the part that you highlighted as part of the noise. So now we go back, go to Noise Removal, click on this again, making sure everything is highlighted this time. We can finally apply the noise reduction filter. So if we click on Preview, this is a sample of a short audio clip. That's our before and after. So let's go ahead and click on OK because it sounds pretty good to me. And if we listen through it now, this is a sample of a short audio clip. It's a lot cleaner than it was before. Another thing we can do to make this a bit more rich and add a bit more depth to the voice is to add some reverb. So let's go over here and go to delay and reverb, click on reverb, and let's choose a preset. So you have a few presets here, some of them with different themes. Like some of them are for large rooms, small rooms, church hall, cathedral cave. But the one we're interested in is acoustic. So just gonna make sure I clicked on the right one. Yeah. And let's click on preview. This is a sample of a short, no, not acoustic. I mean zip modding. This is a sample of this is a sample of this is a sample of a short. This is a sample. This is a sample. This is a sa- this is a sample. So what I want to do is use vocal one, change the reverberance to like 10, room size to like 20, tone low about 80, tone high about 50. That's fine. Stereo width 50, damping at 100. This is a sample of a short audio clip. Yeah, that sounds really good. This is a So another thing we can do to make this sound a bit more rich is to add some subtle reverb. So if we go over here to effect, go over to delay and reverb and click on the reverb effect, we have this box right here. So there are a lot of settings, but the ones that I chose to edit are room size, reverberance, damping, and tone low. Actually, let's try upping the tone low a little bit. So what this does is it makes it so that it simulates the effect that your voice has when spoken in a room, how it bounces off the walls in a room and gets reflected back to the speaker or the listener. So this is a really nice sort of addition because it just adds a bit more depth. So if we are to compare the before and after, this is the before. This is a sample of a short audio clip. So it sounds really clean, but it lacks some depth. So let's add some reverb, making sure everything is selected. And then with the settings I have here, feel free to copy them. Let's click on apply. Let's give what it sounds like now a listen. This is a sample of a short audio clip. So it just sounds a bit more strong. There's a bit more depth to it. because the voice tends to linger for the slightest amount of time. So now, last thing we can do is to add a compressor. And what this does is it basically just, as the name suggests, it compresses the frequencies of your audio. So this basically makes your voice sound a bit more controlled and a bit more powerful. So let's go ahead and click on
This is
preview.
a sample of a short audio clip.
It crushes the highs and the lows and squeezes everything together.
This is a sample of a short audio clip.
So that's the after and this is the before.
This is a sample of a short audio clip. This is a sample of a short audio clip.
There are also some other here. So some presets here. So if I'd like to, for example, choose a preset for vocal touch up, let's go ahead and preview that.
This is a sample of a short audio clip.
So the difference is very subtle, but uh it just makes it sound that much more neat, a bit more clean. So let's go ahead and apply this preset, and
This is a sample of a short audio clip.
that's what our audio sounds like right now. So it's a big difference between where we started. So there are a lot of tools that you can utilize within Audacity to make your voice sound even better. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.